Tonight, a winter storm is moving through the area, bringing snow and icy conditions. Our Sanji Milburn joins us with a look at what drivers are dealing with and some important safety tips. Sanji.
For anyone who hoped for snow, well, it's finally here, but with it comes some challenges, which is why TxDOT is urging drivers to be cautious while traveling. Icy roads, snow-covered cars, and rising floodwaters. West Texas is experiencing its first winter storm of the season.
Yeah, I mean, we're all happy to see it. Unfortunately, everybody can be a little more nervous leaving their house in the mornings, but give yourself enough time and try to treat it as if there's ice on the road, even if there's not.
Forecasters say we can see up to an inch of snow right here in the Permian Basin, while parts of New Mexico could receive up to 6 inches. We reached out to TxDOT, and crews have pre-treated interstates, bridges, and high-traffic roadways with a brine solution to help improve safety. For those traveling for the holidays, TxDOT has some advice for drivers.
You want to make sure that high traffic areas that you're leaving yourself enough time to get to where you're going, and there's enough room between you and the next vehicle, because it will take longer to stop in icy conditions. And you want to make sure that your vehicle is properly prepared for winter conditions, that your tires have good tread, that your brakes are working properly, that your windshield wipers are working.
Again, be careful if you're out and about traveling this holiday season. And if you are experiencing any minor road issues, such as a flat tire or a dead battery, you can contact Hero. It's a free roadside assistance program right here in the Permian Basin. Reporting in Midland County, Sanji Milburn, News West 9.